Hello family, welcome back home. Today we'll be bypassing Samsung J4 First things to do is to connect your Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Okay, seems like it's taking a little bit time to connect. Internet may be not available. Alright, I agree, there is no internet, so okay, let's first emergency and dial 112 and then call. We must have 3 dots there. There is no 3 dot. Let's try again. 112 and call. Oh, now my okay. Now we are connected. Let's press 112 and then call and see if those 3 dots inside SIM card 112. Okay, there might be no SIM card in this phone. So if that happens, check if there's SIM card. If you didn't put the SIM card there, let's try again. 112 and call. There is 3 dots. Press on send message and then type any words and send. Then remove your SIM card to end the call and then press on hold and then select share and press on Google Go. After Google Go, use without Google account. Finished, and then press on search and type FRP bypass. And then the first one, the RAM stage, and then press on those 3 dots and open with browser, and then Chrome will pop up. No thanks. Now let's set password. Let's set lock screen. I will choose pattern, continue, press L, confirm, then press next, skip, and then now you have to restart your phone. This may take a second, so be patient. Now let's start again, but remember now we have bypassed the password already, so the following steps is just finish. We are finishing now. Press start. We're connected there. Let's press next, select all and agree. And then remember the password that we set, it's L. Now we can skip. Next. Finish. Voila. Thank you. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you need any help, comment on the comment section. That's why we left them on, so that we can talk. We love you.